Well, I just wanted to provide a small video to kind of support the post because I know reading through it the steps can seem confusing. But to answer this, you'd got to complete the square. So to complete the square, we've done that a little bit when we're trying to solve for x, but we're not really solving for x anymore. We're just trying to rewrite a function. So it's a little different in steps. So you notice in the first step I have p of x equals to this x squared minus 6x minus 3, so that's the function you have. And what you do is you take whatever is next to the x, so in this case the negative 6, they call that the b term. You divide by 2 and you square it. This gives you 9, and what you're going to do with 9 is you're going to add it to both sides of this like equation, so to speak. So there's a plus 9 over here now, and then there's a plus 9 over here, and notice that I put that plus 9 with the first two terms. And the reason I do that is because if you look at those three terms together, they become a perfect square, right? So now what you can do with the perfect square is factor it. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 becomes x minus 3 squared. So in this step to this step, we've just simplified it. And then what you can do to solve for p of x, because that's what we want, is we want to know what it is in a certain form. They call it standard form. You subtract that 9 back over. So it's like we did a step to add 9, simplify, and then now you subtract 9 to the other side. So when you do that, you end up with minus 3 and minus 12, or excuse me, minus 9, and that gives you minus 12. So then your answer here will be the x minus 3 squared minus 12.